Hi, my name is Robin Mungo. I am the owner of Cindy Cohen School of Driving out of Pittsburgh, PA. We're probably one of the largest driving schools in the area. I currently have 18 instructors. I love the DisplayRide camera. I can't say, better things about it, but it is an awesome tool to have as an owner of a driving school. And not only does it capture the footage that's happening inside of the vehicle and outside of the vehicle, which is great, but for an owner to know what's happening in those vehicles, because you can't be in every instructor's vehicle, especially when you have 18 instructors, to see what's happening and to get that report every single day with the AI information or that artificial intelligence telling you what your instructors are doing is an awesome tool to have. We don't have enough hours in a day to sit and watch a video of each lesson for every instructor. You would need to hire someone to do that. But with the AI component of this camera, I can't tell you how I rely on that. It gives me an opportunity to see what my instructors are doing. And I'll give you an example. In the state of Pennsylvania, there's a new law that's rolling out where we're going to be hands-free with our cell phones. Right now, they're only giving out written warnings, but I have instructed my instructors not to use their cell phones at all. If they're going to need to use their cell phone, they need to pull over, they need to put that vehicle in park, and then make that phone call. Because we have to practice what we preach. But that AI has definitely been able to pick up on those instructors who decide to bend the rules by using that cell phone while that vehicle's in motion. Now, they don't have students in the vehicle, but still they're breaking company policy. So it gives me an opportunity to bring them in, have a conversation, and I give them a warning. And then the next thing is I'll show them the video. And if I have to share the video with everyone else, it gives everyone a reminder that I'm watching. And I don't mean that in a bad way. It's to keep us all accountable. As long as the instructors are doing what they're supposed to be doing, protecting the asset, protecting the customer, it protects you as a business owner. And it protects that instructor also, keeping them employed. So I love the cameras. I highly recommend, and I can't wait for the next piece of technology that comes out with them.